Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the video. I have here 3 Scottish banknotes to share with you. They are all special in their own right. So let's start first of all with the £1 one. This one here gives you the reason why it's a special £1 note from the Royal Bank of Scotland, and it says Scottish Parliament on it. You have the saltire in the bottom right hand corner, and then slightly above it you have the £1 symbol. You also have it in the top right corner. You have the specialised serial number across the top, which begins SP, which is Scottish Parliament. And you have the normal RBS logo there. You have the cashier's signature just there. This one was issued in May 1989, 12th of May 1989. And it has the old Scottish Parliament building, and you have the symbol for the Scottish Parliament there. The logo includes purples are greeny, a light greeny colour, and you have a brown, green and purple and grey symbol. This one has been shown an awful lot on videos. Kelly has shown this a few times, this particular note, so I'll bow to his better knowledge of Scottish notes and carry on with the next one. The next one is a special one again, and it is the Diamond Jubilee note, and that was 1952 to 2012, so it's a 10-year-old note. Again, you've got the £10 symbol in the bottom right and in the top left. You have the specialised serial number as well, which is TODJ, the Diamond Jubilee. Of Her Majesty the Queen, you have this again. This is a brown note rather than the green note of the £1, and you have the normal portrait in there. And I think it actually says here who it is. Lord Delay, is it? Again, you have two serial numbers on this one. They are the same. Then on the back is a special £10. You've got the Diamond Jubilee with the crown and the dates, 1952 to 2012. You have it's the Royal Bank of Scotland, and then in the background below that writing you have a thistle in green, and then you've got green going round, and then you have several portraits of Her Majesty going from the earliest portrait right at the back through various ones to the portrait that was present at the time, which is 2012. This is one of the special notes royalty notes that the Bank of Scotland has brought out, and it's one that I've wanted in my collection for a while, and I'm so glad that I've managed to get hold of this one, and it is in great nick and it is in wonderful condition. This one is a circulated note and is not quite as crisp as a tenner, but it is still also a fabulous note. It is a £20 note. Let's just get that in for you. It's a £20 note. Top left and bottom right again. Sorry, bottom left and top right. You have the Queen's crown there, and you have on there a commemorative of the 100th birthday of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, the 4th of August 2000. It's a purple backed note, which is what the 20s were. Again, you've got the symbol of the Bank of Scotland, £20. And on the side there you've got the Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, and then you've got the serial number. On the back is brilliant. I love this note. You have a very early portrait of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, when she was known as Elizabeth Bowes Lyon, when she was a child. I think that's Glamis Castle, is it? at the bottom right. Yeah, it's Graham's Castle. This is where she was brought up when she was a young woman, a young lady. And then you got a later portrait of Her Majesty, the Queen Mother, Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, in a later age. And doesn't she look wonderful on that one? This is again a special note for somebody like myself who's a collector, and I do enjoy looking at some of these royal notes. I'm not a huge royalist. Well, I suppose I'm bigger than most royalists in that sense, but not a huge fan of what's been going on recently, shall we say. So in rounding up, we have the £20 note of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. We have which celebrated her 100th birthday in the beginning of this century, in the year 2000. She died just over a year later. We have the Jubilee Diamond Jubilee for Her Majesty the Queen, which was in 2012, which again is a lovely note. And then we have the £1 Scottish Parliamentary note. So that wraps up this particular banknotes video about Scottish notes. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me the thumbs up if you think I've deserved it. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, could you please think about doing so, as subscriptions and likes help the algorithm along. That will put me in front of people who have yet to view one of my videos in their suggestion area. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for, or the banknotes even. If you're buying stuff from wherever you're buying it, I hope you can get it at the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-ra then, bye bye.